We at Bajaj understand that your bike is like your family member. So, we have introduced Bajaj NexGen Workshop that provides best-in-class service. This workshop is specially designed for your bike, which is equipped with modern equipment, gadgets, and trained technicians. This state-of-the-art workshop helps our team to execute high-quality jobs with increased efficiency, enabling us to adhere to the promised timeline and deliver your bike. We use specially designed tools in our NexGen Workshop so that the performance of your bike matches with new one after the servicing. We value your time, and hence we generate a fully digital job card for your bike, ensuring complete transparency regarding the mentioned jobs and service cost. Such facilities establish our Bajaj Workshop as a more dependable choice than any other workshop. You can relax and enjoy watching the service of your bike in a comfortable customer lounge. We use 3M shampoo for washing, which reflects our utmost dedication towards the care and maintenance of your vehicle. Our workshop team receives top-notch training to ensure they are equipped to handle all bike repairs and conduct a comprehensive inspection with utmost proficiency. Our expert technicians use world-class scanners and digital application to ensure the optimal health and gives you best-in-class performance at all times. We always ensure the availability of Bajaj genuine spares and Bajaj genuine oil so that your bike always receives the necessary spares and guaranteeing uncompromised quality. After the servicing is completed, our diligent final inspectors validate the jobs done in your bike, conducting a thorough test ride to ensure its absolute readiness and optimal condition. Subsequently, we use 3M polish to ensure paint protection and appearance like a new vehicle. Our service advisors provide comprehensive explanations regarding the completed jobs on your bike, including any additional jobs identified during servicing. They also explain the labor and spare parts costs associated with each job. To enhance your convenience, we offer a range of digital payment facilities. By selecting Bajaj NexGen Workshop, you have opted for value for money, peace of mind, and exceptional customer experience. We truly strive to enhance your experience further. Therefore, we request you to share your valuable feedback with us over a link, which will be sent to your mobile number 24 hours after the servicing is completed. We greatly appreciate your input. At our Bajaj NexGen Workshop, you get state-of-the-art NexGen Workshop infrastructure, specialized tools and digital gadgets, complete care of your bike by our trained workshop team, reliability, transparency, and assured peace of mind. Brilliant customer experience. So come and give your bike the care that a family member deserves.